How to keep your Snap location from disappearing.
Hello, Snapchat users. In today's tutorial, we'll be discussing a common issue some of you might be facing: how to prevent your Snap location from disappearing. But don't worry, we've got you covered.
Understanding Snap Map.
Firstly, it's crucial to understand how the Snap Map works. Your location on Snap Map only updates when you open the Snapchat app, so it's entirely possible for your location to disappear if you haven't opened the app in a while.
Keep your Snap Map active.
To keep your Snap Map active and your location visible, you need to regularly open Snapchat. This doesn't mean you have to be actively using the app or sending snaps, but you do need to open it to update your location on the map.
Change your Snap Map settings.
If you're still having trouble with your location disappearing, you might want to check your settings. Go to Snap Map settings and make sure you have the right location sharing settings in place. 1. Open Snapchat and go to your profile. 2. Tap on the settings cogwheel icon. 3. Scroll down and tap on See My Location. 4. Make sure you have chosen the right settings, My Friends, or Only These Friends, depending on your preferences. Remember, if you choose Ghost Mode, your location won't be visible to anyone, and as such, it would seem like it's disappearing to others. That's it. By ensuring you open Snapchat regularly and checking your Snap Map settings, you can prevent your Snap location from disappearing. Remember, your privacy is essential, so always choose the settings that you're most comfortable with. We hope this video has been helpful. Keep snapping!